This is a SpatialXL Business Intelligence demo showing how to filter and hide Excel rows and columns and coloring by attribute and how that affects your map. Once you've installed SpatialXL, you will see the SpatialXL tab, and when you show your spatial pane, it will open on the right hand side. I'm going to dock this at the top. Of course, your licensing has to be in place already. As you can see, this is the graphics area, the layer control, mini map, and my Excel spreadsheet. Now I'm going to drag a datamine file into this area. This could be any kind of file, and I'm simply going to drag and drop from outside Excel. It's a datamine point file. Alright, this is my datamine point file, and as you can see, this is actually a block model. Now, to work with this data more effectively in Excel, I'm going to copy out the data from this layer and put it straight into Excel. So I simply go right click, copy layer data, and because this is a point file, I don't need length, area and volume, don't really need type. Alright. And now I can paste this into Excel. This puts my column header straight into Excel. Now before I go on, I first have to add this spreadsheet as an Excel layer. Alright, now you can see we've added the Excel spreadsheet, and it's basically a duplication of the datamine file. We can actually turn off the datamine file and only work with the Excel layer now. Now, to start doing filtering in Excel, the normal rules apply. We're going to turn on a filter, and then we're also going to just freeze our top row to keep on seeing our column headings. Now, to start working with this data in Excel directly and to see how that influences the map, I'm going to first do a filter on the rock type, and let's select 5. And as you can see, there's already some records that's been filtered out. Let's see what other filter we can apply. Let's first do a change to go from largest to smallest AU value, which is the gold value. And now with this change, we must refresh the map. Okay, and let's filter out some of the smaller values. Let's say that one, up to there. And now a lot of the block model has been removed. We can also do a thematic coloring by this, by going to properties. Let's choose AU as the gold value. There's quite a lot of columns here, so let's first go back to the spreadsheet and just make the spreadsheet a bit smaller. So I'm going to take out a lot of this information and just hide it. And let's take out some of this information as well. Alright, and again, at this stage, I have to refresh the map. Great, let's look at our data now. When I go to my view data grid, you will see that there's a lot less information because the spreadsheet with the hidden columns and the filters give a lot less information. Now if we do a coloring, we can simply choose AU. There's many less columns now to choose from. We can okay. Now when we do a coloring, we can simply choose AU because there's a lot less columns to choose from. Do a linear coloring, let's say 4 values. Between that value, that one is fine, orange. And there's my high gold values in the middle. So that is how you utilize filtering, hiding of columns. You can even hide rows, and this will change your Excel layer in SpatialXL. Thank you. That is the end of this demo.